Hi my dear friends, welcome to my channel Noila Creations. Today I am making something simple but close to the heart, Puran Poli. In a shallow plate, add 1.5 cup of wheat flour. Add 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Add salt as per your taste, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon of cooking oil and mix well. Add water as required and knead into a soft dough. Add little cooking oil and knead again. Apply cooking oil on the dough and the plate. Cover with a wet cloth and let it rest. Yesterday I washed 3/4 cup of chana dal with plain water 3 to 4 times and then I soaked it overnight with plain water. In the morning I drained the water. Now I am transferring the chana dal into the pressure cooker. Add water until the level of the water reaches just above the chana dal. Add half teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon of cooking oil. Mix well. Cover the pressure cooker with the lid and let it cook until 3 whistles come. Then switch off the flame. Then drain the water. Transfer the chana dal into a kadai. Add 3/4 cup of chopped sugarcane jaggery. Mix and cook on medium flame until it is thick. Then switch off the flame. Transfer the mixture into a strainer and mash it. There shouldn't be any lumps. Add half teaspoon of cardamom powder and mix. Form into a ball. By the way, if you like this video, do give it a like, share it with your family and friends and subscribe for more recipes. Make sure to click on the bell icon to get notified the moment I upload a new video so that you don't miss any of my videos. Cover with a lid and keep aside. Knead the dough again. Take portions of the dough and shape into round balls. Make small balls of the chana dal mixture. Shape the dough into small bowl. Keep it thick in the middle and slightly thin at the edges. Place the stuffing in the center. Close the edges like this. Ensure that the dough is smooth. Spread gently with your hands and then roll thin. Heat a tawa and then place the Puran Poli on it. Once bubbles come, flip it. Once it puffs up, apply clarified butter. Then flip it. Apply clarified butter. And it's ready. If you liked watching, share it with someone who might enjoy it too. Thank you for being here. See you soon in my next video. Until then, happy cooking. Sending you calmness and good wishes always.